Eat these 3 foods before bed to make new mitochondria, scientific proof. Understanding the intricate mechanisms that govern our cellular health is paramount to unlocking a longer, more vibrant life. At the heart of this biological marvel are mitochondria, often affectionately referred to as the powerhouses of our cells. These tiny organelles, inherited primarily from our mothers, are responsible for generating adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the primary energy currency that fuels virtually every bodily function, from the beating of our hearts to the complex computations of our brains. Without a robust and efficient mitochondrial network, our cells simply cannot perform optimally, leading to a cascade of issues that manifest as fatigue, cognitive decline, metabolic dysregulation, and ultimately the accelerated processes we associate with aging. The concept of mitochondrial health has gained significant traction in the scientific community, particularly in the realm of longevity research, championed by leading figures like Dr. David Sinclair. His pioneering work, which often delves into the sirtuin genes and NAD+ pathways, underscores a fundamental truth. Maintaining youthful cellular function is key to extending health span. One of the most compelling strategies to bolster this cellular vitality is through mitochondrial biogenesis, the fascinating process by which our cells create new mitochondria. It's not just about having mitochondria, it's about having new, efficient, and plentiful mitochondria that can keep up with the energetic demands of life. The remarkable idea that we can actively stimulate this vital process, even through something as accessible as specific dietary choices made before bed, offers a compelling avenue for enhancing our well-being. Before delving into the specific foods, it's crucial to grasp why mitochondria are so central to our existence. Imagine a bustling city. Mitochondria are like the power plants that keep all the lights on, the transportation running, and the communication networks active. If these power plants start to falter, the city experiences brownouts, traffic jams, and communication breakdowns. Similarly, when our mitochondria become dysfunctional, perhaps due to oxidative stress, accumulation of damage, or simply a decline in their numbers as we age, our cells lose their energetic capacity. This decline doesn't just mean feeling tired. It impacts everything from immune response to hormone synthesis, from muscle strength to neuronal firing. Mitochondrial dysfunction is increasingly recognized as a foundational factor in numerous age-related diseases, including neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even certain cancers. Therefore, actively promoting the creation of new, healthy mitochondria is not merely an anti-aging hack. It's a strategy for fundamental health preservation. Dr. David Sinclair's research provides a robust scientific framework for understanding how we might influence these cellular processes. His work has largely focused on sirtuins, a family of proteins that regulate cellular health and are often referred to as guardians of the genome. Sirtuins are heavily involved in DNA repair, inflammation reduction, and, critically, the promotion of mitochondrial biogenesis. These proteins are activated by a molecule called nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, NAD+, which declines significantly with age. This decline in NAD+ means sirtuins become less active, impairing their protective functions and contributing to the aging process. The connection here is vital. Anything that can directly or indirectly boost NAD+ levels or activate sirtuins could theoretically enhance mitochondrial biogenesis and improve cellular resilience. While many of Sinclair's recommendations involve specific supplements like NMN or NR, he also emphasizes the role of lifestyle interventions and certain compounds found in foods. The specific timing of before bed is also significant. Our bodies operate on a sophisticated internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, which dictates cycles of wakefulness and sleep, feeding and fasting, activity and repair. During sleep, our bodies undergo crucial processes of repair, regeneration, and detoxification. This nocturnal period is an optimal window for cellular maintenance, including the removal of damaged components, a process called mitophagy, and the synthesis of new ones. By strategically consuming certain foods before bed, we might be providing our cells with the necessary building blocks and signaling molecules to optimize these repair and regenerative pathways, particularly those leading to the creation of new mitochondria. It's about leveraging the body's natural rhythms to enhance cellular vitality while we rest. Now, let's explore the 3 scientifically supported foods that, when incorporated into your pre-bed routine, could contribute to the creation of new mitochondria, drawing connections to the broader principles of longevity science and Dr. Sinclair's research. The first food to consider is blueberries. These vibrant, small berries are veritable powerhouses of nutrition, renowned for their exceptionally high antioxidant capacity. What makes blueberries particularly relevant for mitochondrial biogenesis and anti-aging are their rich concentrations of polyphenols, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue-purple color, quercetin, and a lesser but still significant amount of resveratrol. Anthocyanins are potent antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to mitochondrial damage. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, they help protect mitochondrial DNA and membranes from degradation. Beyond their direct antioxidant effects, anthocyanins and other flavonoids in blueberries have been shown to modulate cellular signaling pathways. For instance, they can help activate AMPK, AMP-activated protein kinase, an enzyme that plays a crucial role in energy metabolism and is a key upstream regulator of mitochondrial biogenesis, often referred to as a master switch. When AMPK is activated, it signals the cell that energy levels are low, prompting it to increase energy production by creating more mitochondria and improving their efficiency. This activation also indirectly impacts sirtuins, linking directly to the pathways Dr. Sinclair frequently discusses. Furthermore, some research suggests that the compounds in blueberries can directly enhance the activity of sirtuin 1, SIRT1, a sirtuin that is vital for cellular repair, inflammation control, and the very process of mitochondrial biogenesis. Consuming a handful of blueberries before bed offers a low glycemic, nutrient-dense snack that provides these powerful compounds, potentially setting the stage for nocturnal cellular repair and mitochondrial renewal. Their naturally occurring melatonin can also contribute to better sleep quality, further enhancing the body's restorative processes. The second food that holds significant promise in promoting mitochondrial health and biogenesis is dark chocolate. Specifically varieties with a high cacao content, 70% or higher. Cacao is an incredibly rich source of flavonols, a subclass of flavonoids, with prominent compounds like epicatechin and procyanidins. These flavonols are celebrated for their powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which are crucial for protecting existing mitochondria from damage. However, their benefits extend far beyond simple antioxidation. Research has shown that cacao flavonols can improve endothelial function by increasing the bioavailability of nitric oxide, NO, leading to better blood flow. This improved circulation means more efficient delivery of oxygen and nutrients to cells, which is fundamental for mitochondrial function. More directly, the epicatechin found in dark chocolate has been investigated for its potential to stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis. Studies suggest that epicatechin can activate the NRF2 pathway, nuclear factor erythroid 2-related factor 2, a master regulator of endogenous antioxidant and detoxification responses. Activation of NRF2 not only boosts the cell's own defense mechanisms against oxidative stress, but also plays a role in mitochondrial quality control and biogenesis. By enhancing these protective and regenerative pathways, dark chocolate contributes to a more robust mitochondrial network. Furthermore, certain compounds in dark chocolate might also indirectly support NAD+ levels, or sirtuin activity, aligning with the broader longevity strategies. It's important to choose dark chocolate with minimal sugar to maximize the benefits of its flavonols without counteracting them with excessive sweetness. A small square or two of high-quality dark chocolate before bed can serve as a potent delivery system for these beneficial compounds, providing a gentle indulgence that supports your cellular powerhouses. Finally, the third food to incorporate into your pre-bed routine for enhanced mitochondrial biogenesis is walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are not only a fantastic source of healthy fats, but also contain a unique profile of compounds that are highly beneficial for cellular health, particularly for mitochondria. Walnuts are one of the richest plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid. While ALA itself needs to be converted into EPA and DHA, which is inefficient in humans, its presence is important. Omega-3 fatty acids are critical components of cellular membranes, including mitochondrial membranes. Maintaining the fluidity and integrity of these membranes is essential for optimal mitochondrial function and electron transport efficiency. Beyond ALA, walnuts are packed with a diverse array of polyphenols, including L-gitannins. These L-gitannins are particularly fascinating because, once consumed, they are metabolized by our gut microbiome into compounds called urolithins. Urolithins, particularly urolithin A, have garnered significant scientific attention for their ability to induce mitophagy and subsequently stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis. Mitophagy is the selective degradation and removal of damaged or dysfunctional mitochondria, a vital quality control mechanism. By clearing out the old and broken mitochondria, urolithins pave the way for the creation of new, more efficient ones. This process is crucial for maintaining a healthy and youthful mitochondrial population. Walnuts also contain melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles, which can aid in achieving restful sleep, further supporting the body's nighttime repair processes. Moreover, melatonin itself acts as a potent antioxidant within mitochondria, directly protecting them from damage. The presence of magnesium, a cofactor in hundreds of enzymatic reactions, including ATP synthesis, further solidifies walnuts' role as a mitochondrial supportive food. A small handful of walnuts before bed not only provides healthy fats and protein for satiety, but also delivers a powerful combination of compounds that can directly influence mitochondrial turnover and genesis. Integrating these three foods, blueberries, dark chocolate, and walnuts, into your evening routine offers a synergistic approach to enhancing mitochondrial health. Blueberries provide anthocyanins and other flavonoids that activate AMPK and protect against oxidative stress. Dark chocolate delivers potent flavonols that boost antioxidant defenses and may directly stimulate biogenesis through pathways like NRF2. Walnuts offer omega-3s for membrane integrity, melatonin for sleep and direct mitochondrial protection, and most notably, L-gitannins that lead to urolithins, which are powerful inducers of mitophagy and subsequent biogenesis. The scientific underpinnings of these benefits align perfectly with the broader longevity strategies advocated by Dr. David Sinclair and other researchers. By activating key cellular pathways like AMPK and NRF2, supporting sirtuin activity, reducing oxidative stress, and promoting both the removal of damaged mitochondria and the creation of new ones, these foods collectively contribute to a more resilient and energetic cellular landscape. It's important to understand that while these foods offer powerful benefits, they are part of a larger lifestyle matrix. Mitochondrial health is also profoundly influenced by regular exercise, periods of fasting, like time-restricted eating, adequate sleep, stress management, and exposure to environmental stressors like cold or heat, hormesis. These lifestyle interventions, often discussed in the context of longevity hacks, work in concert with dietary choices to optimize cellular function. Exercise, for instance, is a well-established stimulus for mitochondrial biogenesis, as increased energy demand prompts cells to produce more power plants. Fasting periods can also activate AMPK and promote autophagy and mitophagy, clearing out cellular debris and making way for renewal. Therefore, while strategically consuming these three foods before bed can be a potent component of your health regimen, it should be viewed as an enhancement to an already healthy and active lifestyle rather than a standalone cure-all. Furthermore, the concept of scientific proof attached to these dietary recommendations is built upon a growing body of research demonstrating the mechanisms by which specific compounds within these foods interact with cellular pathways. While Dr. Sinclair might not explicitly list these exact 3 foods in every single lecture, the principles he champions, sirtuin activation, NAD+ boosting, combating oxidative stress, and promoting cellular resilience, are directly supported by the biochemical actions of the compounds found in blueberries, dark chocolate, and walnuts. The scientific community is increasingly uncovering how diet impacts epigenetics and gene expression, influencing our health span at a very fundamental level. Choosing whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in beneficial phytochemicals is a cornerstone of this understanding. In conclusion, the pursuit of optimal health and longevity is deeply intertwined with the vitality of our mitochondria. The groundbreaking work of scientists like Dr. David Sinclair has illuminated pathways through which we can actively influence our cellular aging processes. By incorporating specific foods like blueberries, high cacao dark chocolate, and walnuts into our routine before bed, we can tap into scientifically validated mechanisms that promote mitochondrial biogenesis. These foods provide a rich array of antioxidants, polyphenols, healthy fats, and other bioactive compounds that protect existing mitochondria, activate critical longevity pathways like AMPK and NRF2, and even facilitate the removal of damaged organelles to make way for new, efficient powerhouses. This simple yet powerful dietary strategy, when combined with a holistic approach to wellness, offers a tangible way to support your body's intrinsic capacity for renewal, fostering greater energy, cognitive function, and overall resilience as you navigate the journey of life. Embracing these nightly rituals is not just about extending your years, but enriching the quality of every single one of them.